This is Chap Nova. Today I'm going to show you how to set up your WordPress website permalink structure so you can have your site rank in Google faster. I'm going to show you all this, that it only will take you 1 minute or less, okay? So what I want to do is I want you to log into your WordPress website, go to Dashboard, find Settings right here, find Permalinks, okay? This is where it's going to be set right now. Post name, okay? That's good and all because let's say you have a post and you're talking about how to make videos on YouTube. Well, then it's going to show that in the domain name. So that's going to show Google, hey, they're talking about how to make, videos in YouTube or something. Okay, so but what I want you to do is I want you to come down to the custom one right here, okay? Most likely yours will be set on post name right here. It could be some other ones, but what I want you to do is come down here to custom structure. I want you to click on category, then I want you to click on post name and save changes. That's it. It's that simple, and that sets your site up for the best SEO ranking for Google and other search engines. What I want to do is I want to show you kind of so you can get an idea of what I'm really talking about. So let's say your posts are right here, okay? So you set up a category right here. I just set up a test one right here. It says Learn WordPress. So that's a category. So what's going to happen is let's say when you go back over here to Permalink, you see how it says category? It's going to put that particular one right there. So that's going to let Google and other search engines know, hey, they're talking about Learn WordPress. Now, once you make a blog post, then what you're going to do is let's just click right here. Then if you come over to Permalink, okay, there it shows you what it is. But let's go down here and let's see here. Let me go over here, and it has a category right here. Most of the time it's checked on uncategorized, but right here I clicked it on this one right here, and you click save. So now when Google comes to your site or another search engine, they come there and they say, oh, category Learn WordPress, and then they look at the title right here. So let's just say, how to make videos with YouTube. Then they know, hey, this is what this person's talking about. And I'm just giving you examples. You'll understand it more when let's say you're doing a diet website, what is dieting? And then you have a post that says, dieting is when you do this, this, this. And it puts keyword phrases in there like long tail keywords, okay? So let's go back over here. So I'll just show you how it looks. So let's say someone comes to your site right here or a search engine. If you look right up here, you see my domain name, and then there's the category, Learn WordPress, and then Hello World, which yours would be the long tail keyword that you want to rank for in Google. But what this does is with the permalink structure that we set up, this allows them to know at first, hey, this is about Learn WordPress, and then they look at the posting, of what title you had. So it's that simple. Now, if you want to learn how to use WordPress at a whole different level, let's say you're a newbie or you're still getting used to using WordPress, but you still have a lot of questions, I have a free e-learning site that we put together that's called wplearning101.com. This site has 31 videos that's going to show you from A to Z what you need to do with WordPress, and it's set up, that's why I call it WordPress Learning Made Simple. It's for the beginner in mind. That's why I call it WordPress Tutorial Videos for Beginners, okay? So what I want you to do is once you come to this page, I want you to sign up. Just click Start Learning Now for free. This is not a trial for free, and after 30 days it costs you money. No, it's 100% free. And the best part is we're always updating the videos, so when there's new updates from WordPress that are big updates, we add those videos in there to make sure that you keep understanding what WordPress is doing, the changes that they're making, and you know how to function in the dashboard and everything that you need to know with WordPress, so you're not just sitting there with a question mark on your mind going, how do I do this? So that's why we put this website together, because many, many years ago, I was trying to learn WordPress, and there were not a lot of videos, and the videos that they had were not that great. So we put this together for the WordPress beginner in mind. What you can do is you can scroll down here. I'm just going to go down to frequently asked questions. Just click right here, and this will show you all the videos and what we're going to teach you, okay? There's 31 here. This number could change. It could go more. It could go less. Most likely it will go more because we're going to add different videos, and we want to make sure you have the highest quality videos. Plus, we want to keep some of the old ones, so you can see, some functionalities that you can still have if you use some other plugins that allow you to see the classic WordPress structure. So there's a lot of different things you can play with, but I'm not going to get into that in this video. But our training right here will teach you all that with, with the changes with WordPress and all that good stuff. So if you have any questions or anything like that, post them below this video. I will put the link to WPLearning101.com below this video, so you can just click on that, come over here, just click on Start Learning. It's that simple. Then you're going to come over, once you click on that, it's going to take you over here, and you're going to put your name, your last name, your email address. Check this box right here. Make sure you keep this one checked. This is going to allow you to subscribe to our newsletter. This is going to allow you to know when we add new videos, different updates, videos that we're making, just whatever it is that we're doing to help you learn WordPress better. What I'm going to do always too is every week I'm going to make new videos about different WordPress plugins, themes, things that I like about WordPress, things that I don't, whatever it is. I'm just going to be making videos that's going to help you learn WordPress every single week from me, from a different point of view, with fresh new videos that I'm going to make all the time to help you guys. I am here to help you. Like I said, below this video, you can put your comments. On the main website, you can come to our support, come over here, and you can type them, and I will personally write you back. But like I said, I set up this site to really help you and to learn WordPress, and most people, are getting started with WordPress, don't know what they're doing. So click the link below this video, and I will be seeing you in the next video, and I hope you have yourself a great day. Thanks for taking the time to watch our video. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.